You ready? Let's go!
Jack, please. I see a lot of hate, I hear a lot of faking, yeah. But I ain't got no shame, so they ain't gonna say shit. See, we're all the same, just don't know how to say it. We can have it our way, we can make it amazing, yeah. Don't let them under your skin, don't need to take it all in, yeah. Just erase it, get back to basics. No, we've got nothing to stress, you know it's.
Hey, so we spent one night in Singapore, flying out here. New plane, so this is a cool configuration. And going to spend a few nights in Jakarta, meeting a team member, doing some work out there. Our team is all remote, mostly remote, all over the world. So we fly out and meet up in various places around the world. So here we go, another flight. See ya.
Green ahead, so play it again, so play it again. Rewind, take it from the first line. We could ride it all night, staying past the sun. Play it while we're young.
Selamat datang. Back in Jakarta, haven't been here in a very long time. What else? Quick flight.
What movie
Saw
did you
3/4
watch?
of a movie. It's the most annoying thing. You get cut off when you land. And you're like, what happened?
What movie did you watch?
3 Billboards. Pretty good.
With a song in our head always on, yeah, this is real life. Play it while we're young. Play it while
Hear
we're
your heart jump, take it from the lost one. Close eyes, nose dive, take me to the water. Treat a couple people, think I'm eating off a concert. Some pieces still divide more than towers off a concert. When broken, I ain't changing them still. Fix the label, still be breaking them deals. They gotta face it, now I'm buzzing them. Yeah.
Hello? Come on in. Welcome to the suite. This is an amazing place to use SNA. If you're a Star Wars person, you know what that means. There's some nice little orchids. Okay. Bathroom, dining table, then really big living room.
I say this is what you wanted, right? Yeah, me too. Let me say it like this, let me say it like this. This is what you wanted, right from the beginning. This is what you wanted, right from the beginning. All you do is lose.
Meditate. Actually, I'm really leaning too far back. Bathroom. My two toilets.
All we do is winning. Sad to see you frowning, but why you see me grinning? Cause I'ma roll through the town.
Okay, that's it.
Then you have your next course.
Whoa!
Okay, so dragon's breath is a meringue that we infuse in liquid nitrogen.
Very cool.
Oh, okay.
I'm videoing this.
That's why I do like this.
Jill, just put it down so I can see what's in your hand.
I'm trying to measure.
Put it down.
Oh, look at this.
Ah, yes. Look at that ice. Whoa. Very futuristic here. What's gonna happen? I like this.
Where's Noah? Oh, look at the
Whoa, look at that! Whoa! They don't happen to Look at the floor! Oh! Hey Steve! So cool! Oh! Oh!
I need another story, something to get off my chest. My life is kinda boring, need something that I can confess. Till on my sleeves I stay red, from all the truth that I've said. Can buy it honestly, I swear. Thought you saw me wake up, I've been on the brink, so tell me what you want from me.
Oh. Which one of these is signed? One of these is signed. I kept the sign. Oh wow, look at this. Bought it for $1. It's like the best poetry book ever. I read like one poem every night. This is great. Let's steal this back from me. Oh, you got the Experts Academy DVDs.
Yeah.
You obviously have not watched any of them. Oh, you got the old Body Beast. Wow, I forgot I got all this stuff before. All this stuff. Take a look at this. Been to Jakarta in like 2.5 years.
Yeah, I mean, I even remember it was nothing. Yeah, since
it's totally empty.
Yeah, since they built nothing like yes, everything's not finished yet. I mean,
Wow.
the apartment also.
Wow.
So you can,
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah, you can't say the wrong person. It's like, I don't know.
I could go anywhere I want. I could say anything I wanted. I could do almost anything I wanted, and I would get away with it, and I could live a completely self-centered and self-gratifying life. I had ultimate freedom, independence, autonomy. I had that. And yet, I was still looking for meaning. And yet, my life was still looking for meaning. And one great discovery I had was that no matter how much freedom or autonomy or independence or self-reliance you have, your life will be no better. If you love anything, your heart will be wrung, possibly broken. And if you want to make sure of keeping it, intact, you must give it to no one. You can be self-reliant, independent, autonomous, roaming the wilderness with freedom. But in that wilderness, your heart, safe, dark, motionless, airless, it will change. With this particular, we call it class of airplane, with the purple interior. Oh, sure.
Would you like to have one champagne as well?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Here we go. There's a nice little holder here with some picture here, and I get the glass open here, the mirror. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, they take away this legroom, so this is somebody's seat right here. But in the first row, you can go all the way, extend all the way across. So like a trade-off, it's like life. You want the full seating without the extra storage. You want the extra storage, and take away some of the legroom. So you gotta sit like this. This is very nice. This big screen, new, and put your legs in there. Here. You see?
So that works too.
Still very good. Goodbye.